Hey guys, welcome back to Joseph Motors. We're at another Chevrolet we've got. It's a 2017. This is a four-door long bed, two-wheel drive, 2500 that we've got. Super low miles in this vehicle. Just forgot what they were. Let me go there and look again. It's looking at right at
4,000.
64,000. Thank you, John. 64,000 miles on this one owner clean Carfax unit that we've got, fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center, Truck South. This thing's sitting on brand new 10-ply tires. I'm gonna let Johnny go down the side of the truck for you, give you some nice photos. There's no dents, no dings, no scratches. It's got the Silverado bed line cappers on top, spray-in bed liner. It's just a really clean unit. Here's some inside highlights of this truck. Again, come with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control. No rips or tears in the seats. Just really nice all the way throughout. If you got any questions about this unit, you can call me, Nick Watson, Truckman. So my number is 919-661-2886, or you can visit us on our website at josephmotorsnc.com. Or please just give us a call, 919-661-2886. This is Nick Watson. Thank you. Have a great day.